All right, so I'm here with Derek, and Derek, tell me a little bit about like what you felt, what brought you to the office, like what was bothering you, and how long you had it, and all that kind of stuff.
Sure. We about for about 15 years, I had swelling of my hands and hurting in my elbows. I've been doing construction work all my life,
Right,
and so and my fingers would swell up at night to where I had to put my arms over the side of the bed.
right,
I wasn't sleeping right, and actually, when I would play my guitar or ride my motorcycle, my hands would go numb.
right, right.
And I came to Dr. Hodges and I started using this machine here. And after about 7 sessions, my hands are not swelling up at night anymore. I've gone from playing for my guitar from 15 minutes to an hour and a half.
Wow.
I could ride my motorcycle now, and I don't have to, I'll put my arms down and shake them off like this anymore.
Right, right.
I don't have any of that. I've been sleeping better. Actually, you can see the veins in the back of my hands now.
Right.
I don't have that swellingness anymore.
Good.
And it's been working awesome.
Yeah, cool. So you had this for like 10 or 15 years,
Yes,
right?
absolutely.
Okay. And I remember you telling me you had you would drop your pick, or you couldn't
Yes,
even.
exactly. My pick would fly out of my hand because I couldn't hold it any longer.
Right.
Or my left hand would go numb.
Right.
And I would have to stop and, shake my hand off a little bit like
Yeah,
this.
yeah.
While the pastor's still singing and so
Yeah.
on. And then I would just come back in. But
Yeah.
it was
Because you play at church, like on church services.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly. And it would get to the point where it was painful to even hold the pick. It was that bad.
Right.
And I'd make it last for so long.
Yeah.
And then I would kind of stop playing
Yeah.
for a second, but make it sound like it was part of the song for a minute.
Yeah.
And I would have to scrunch my hands like this, and I would have to shake them off for a few
Right.
minutes, and then continue playing.
Great.
But when I would go back to playing, it was still painful.
Right.
And I haven't had that after I think my fifth session with this machine, and now I'm on my seventh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is it seven?
Yeah.
Is it? Yeah. So with Derek, we've been using the MLS laser therapy, some PEMF. Been using some instrument adjusting on his neck, and working his forearms, and the combination seems to work real well. But it seems like the laser's really done the trick as far as helping him. So, anything else you'd like to say to anybody who might be suffering with this kind of problem?
If you're having these kind of problems and you're having problems sleeping at night and having problems just getting numbness in your hands, swelling, this machine does work.
Okay,
It's
great.
been working for me, and it's an awesome thing.
Cool. Do I have your permission to use this with patients, doctors, students?
Absolutely.
Thank you. Any restrictions on that?
No.
Okay, thanks. All right.